Hey, we're going to check out the new section of Cliff Cave that's up top from the upper parking lot. You can see the trailhead. It's a 1 mile new trail down to the scenic overlook. So we'll see what it's like. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon. I think it's about 70 degrees, sun shining. It's October 2019. Beautiful day. There's Dot in front of me. We're the owls, the older women in Lycra, are still out here trying to ride. This is a pretty easy trail. At Cliff Cave Park, there's green-blue trails, blue-green trails, whatever we would call them. They're labeled blue, we think they're green. And then the black ones, which we don't do too often, but the other guys love them. Oh, we're getting into the woods, fun. Single track, hard packed dirt. Looks awesome. Here we go. And into the woods we go. It's really not that far down to the overlook, so this must wind around quite a bit to get a mile out of it. So it's a mile trail down to the scenic overlook above the, is it the Missouri River or the Merrimack? Oh, Mississippi, sorry. The overlook overlooking the Mississippi River. I'm such a dunce. Here in South St. Louis County. Really? Oh, okay. Ooh, nice wide berms. That's cool. I guess we're supposed to be flying down these. We're not much of a flyer. Ooh, here's another nice wide berm. Okay, you're fine. See, it's nice and wide. It's a left side. I'm better at left turns. She's better at right turns. Yes, we've been riding for a long time, but we still like the easy trails. We were more aggressive when we were younger. I told ya. So how long has this been open, do you know? So this trail we think has been open about a month. Man, considering it's only a month, it's in pretty good shape. Yeah, could use a little more traffic, smooth it out, but for a new trail, it's really nice. Very pretty. I assume the big boys do this in about 5 minutes. I would think this wouldn't be too bad to climb either. Nice. Okay. I'll give you some. I don't know. I know. You're better than that. That's alright. You're better than that. We know that. It's just because it's new. If it was a right turn, it would have been me. A little off camber here, because it's new. It hasn't been written in yet. Well, it sure beats going down the paved path with all the people and dogs and kids. Yeah. dogs. Good afternoon. Thank you. Oh, somebody coming down. I see somebody over there. I don't know. Hi. Just two of us, thank you. Hey, right, our doggies would love this trail. Thank you. It's awesome. My first time on this section. Woo! First time on this section. I think I slipped on an acorn. You know, considering it's all downhill, it feels kind of uphill a lot. Yeah. Interesting. Right. I know. It's crazy. At least the leaves aren't falling yet. Pretty soon, leaves will start coming down. You got it. That's okay. You're fine. Yep. None on the left. Coming up will be a different story. Yeah, a little climb here. That's fine. It's a little climb. Yes?
The intersection into the through trail.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And this one goes to the bluff.
Let's go to the bluff.
I didn't walk out of it.
We're coming up on the scenic overlook. And here we are. Oh, we're not allowed to take bikes out here.